Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at what Ricoh tours look like on the computer as well as how to deliver them to the customers. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive right in here. Now I'm going to just take a look at this Gilbert home that we had shot. Now they have a couple options here on their website, which is kind of cool. These are enhanced images. You can turn that feature off and you'll just see how it kind of makes them darker, less appealing. So they increase the dynamic range. It looks like they may drop the highlights and increase the shadows. But they have some cool options here. If for some reason you're having technical difficulties, you can go here to add photos, and then you can just add the 360 pictures, which typically save on your local device. So if you're having internet connection issues and you weren't able to get them out there, then you can go ahead and add them. But I would say if you're using the app and it's just not connecting and they're not really showing up, definitely name them the right thing, because when you upload the photos from your device, it'll know the actual name that you put on it, so it'll save you some time later. But anyways, if a customer's saying I want this, so for example, front door, you called it front door, can we call it front porch? Or maybe you labeled the wrong name, you can just go in here to edit photo name. So let me change it to porch. Hit save, and that should do it. You can also rearrange it by these three buttons. You can rearrange, organize it a little bit better. I kind of like this view for rearranging a little bit better, but it's harder to see the images. So we start with the front. Now to deliver these to the customers, you can actually preview the tour. You can copy and basically send this over. This is what it looks like. So it's more designed just to get a high level overview. It's not necessarily a replacement for Matterport, as you don't really see the floor plan. But you can say, oh, I want to check out the master bathroom again, and then people can scroll around and look at it. And that's it. You also have some interesting options. So let me test it out. So if we do, all right, here we have a kitchen shot. Let's create actually, sorry, we're just previewing the tour right now. But if you go right here to, let's say, kitchen, you can actually export a 2D photo, and they're actually not that bad. You can zoom in if you wanted to, zoom out, obviously. But the aspect ratio it looks like it's a 4:3, so if you were gonna deliver a photo to a customer, usually this is just an add-on. You really wouldn't use the 2D photos, but at least you know you have the option. There, let me close these out. All right, let's go back. All right, so they also have options where you can upload a floor plan, and then you can arrange the photos on there. We don't use that feature, but it's something you could think about adding. You can also add a lot of details about the particular home if you want. We usually don't. And anyways, so to share this with your customer, you can go ahead and you can copy the link. It's very similar to Matterport. Copy the link, just copy and paste, and then there's also the embed code that they can embed on a website. But anyways, yeah, so you have several options here. You have a full tour, unbranded tour, and a compact tour, depending on what you're looking for. So anyways, so that's it. So we pretty much went over most of the features and how to deliver the links to your customers for the Ricoh tour. Feel free to reach out if you guys have any additional questions on the Ricoh tours. We really like this because it's a flat fee. I think we paid somewhere around $500 for an entire year, and we can do unlimited amounts of these. So this is something that is nice that you could offer and even provide extra for free if you wanted to, if that was part of your value proposition, and where you're really not increasing your cost much at all, since you can do basically an unlimited amount of these for the same price. So anyways, reach out if you guys have any questions, and we'll see you guys on the next one.